Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view followed games on your Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your followed games on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your Steam account as I have logged into my account over here. And in order to proceed to view your followed games over here, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a bunch of options available for us. Hover over your username over here, you can see your username available for us at the top left corner of the screen. And on the username, when we hover over here, a drop down menu like this will appear on your case as well. Click on the friends option over here, and when this panel appears guys, at the left side you can see a bunch of options where there says the followed games. Click on the followed games over here, and all of the games which you had followed on your Steam account will be over here. You can see the recent played, all of your games, your perfect games, your followed games, and your reviews. And that being said guys, this is the place on your Steam profile where you will be able to view your followed games. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.